Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs music generator. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to jump into ElevenLabs.io, and ElevenLabs have been around for a very long time and they've slowly introduced new features. The one feature that we're looking at now is on the left hand side. If you come down and you look under products, you'll see music. Let's go into music. Now here, all you need to do is describe your song. I've prepped a prompt. And where I get my prompts from is Perplexity. I just describe what I want and it makes a detailed prompt for me. So here I have my detailed prompt, and there's a few things that you can do. You can change the amount of variants. So it's going to produce now either 1, 2, 3, or 4 songs. You can also change the duration. So let's say you want like a really long song, a really short song. And that, of course, will change the amount of credits that you use. And then we've got the lyrics. So it can either automatically generate lyrics, it can be completely instrumental, or you can click on custom and here you can just paste in your lyrics, right? I'm going to leave it as auto right now. And if you put your cursor over the credits over here, it says it costs 7,200 credits and you have 10,000 credits left. Now, all we need to do is go ahead and click on generate. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll see now that we have 2 variations. On the right hand side, you will see that we have variation 1 just in the corner here. You can swap over to variation 2, and the main section of our screen over here is the actual lyrics and the timeline. So we've got our verses, choruses, pre-choruses, and then you can actually continue the conversation. So you can actually just say like, take the verse 2 out and replace it with these words, or whatever the case may be. You can actually even edit them in over here as well, which is amazing. When we are actually playing the song, okay, you can see we have a timeline down over here, and let's literally listen to what it has produced. I don't know about you, but that is a power intro. If you do like this type of music, you'll know that sounds good. Let's have a listen to variation 2. Ladies and gentlemen, that sounds good. I like it a lot. Of course, you can change whatever you need to change. You can also see all of the included styles and excluded styles. If you'd like to share this, you can click on the share button. It'll give you a bunch of options, public page, share as a video, and you got some share settings, and then you can just download it straight to your device.